Dal-Tile is a manufacturer of tile. We sell or source 1 out of every 3 tiles in the U.S. In total, Dal-Tile has about $2.5 billion in sales, and we cover the U.S., Canada, Mexico, and also Brazil. 9 months after I started, we were going live with SAP, so we were moving off of JD Edwards, partially at least, and then moving to SAP. And so we were promised by IT that we were going to have a new solution in place when it came. And when we launched with SAP, we had no management reporting at all. And so we looked at 15 different BI tools, all the big ones, so Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, and how I found Domo was actually a LinkedIn ad that popped up. And so we went with Domo because it's a fully integrated product and platform. We use it in finance, we use it in manufacturing, we use it in sales, logistics, we've done custom apps, we've done custom connectors. And the thing that I love about Domo is it's democratizing data across the enterprise. Some of the power of Domo that we've been able to do, we actually run on 3 different ERP systems. So we have SAP as our main system of record, but we also still use JD Edwards for some things, and we also use Oracle in Mexico. And we've been able to use a lot of different data tools inside of Domo to combine the data together, and it's been really powerful. We have 300 stores that sell tile to contractors. And every day the store managers get a scheduled report. It's in their inbox by the time they get to work, and they can look at, okay, how's my business doing? What are my margins? What are my sales doing? How much in orders did I have in the backlog? This information before was in probably 10 different places, and it wasn't looking, and now it's all in one consolidated, concise, scheduled report in the morning, and then you can click through and actually go analyze the business. And so we empowered users to get to the information they need on their own without requiring special requests and different reports. And so the power of even a single card that they can see their sales and margin data and customer information in a single card was more than anything they've had in the past.